Hi, welcome. Now I'm going to show you how to bring up a proper message instead of an error message, not available error message, when you use Vlookup and the lookup value item is not available in the actual data list. Okay, so what I have here is the set of products and their respective sales. I have about 25 products and their respective sales. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to look up and show the sales value of a particular product. Okay, for example, the Boston crab meat. Whenever I type in a product here, I want to return back the sales here. Okay, so how can I do that? I use the Vlookup function. Okay, Vlookup. What is the value I want to look it up? I want to look it up the product name here, given here, D5 cell, and what is the table array I want to look it into, where I want to look it into. This is the source data. Okay, what is the value I want to corresponding column value I want to bring it back. I want to bring it back the index is second column value. So Boston crab meat must be looked up here and bring back the corresponding sales value, which is the column 2 value. And how do you want to match this Boston crab meat into the set of source data? I want to make it a exact match. Okay, and so it brings back 2946, which is exactly the sales of Boston crab meat. Okay, what happens when I put a next value and I change the product value? It also changes the respective sales value. Okay, so far it's okay. What happens if I put a wrong value here, or a wrong product, some product called coffee mix? It brings a error message, not available, the product is not available. What if I want to give a proper message instead of just NA here? Okay, how can I do that? Okay, that can be possible just to use the function called ifNA. Okay, if not available. Okay, I will show you how to use the function. Okay, I type in the function if NA of this whole function. Okay, then I want to give a error message. Okay, this is the error message, the product you can see here, the product is not available. Okay, this message you want to display. If this Vlookup is going to return a NA, not available error. If NA function of this function returns NA, the product is not available. Otherwise the actual value of the Vlookup will come back. Okay, you see here the coffee mix is not available, the product is not available. When I put a Boston crab meat, it is available, so it brings the sales value 2946. If I change something wrongly entered, also the product not available. Okay, this way you can use the ifNA function to return the product not available message, or any other your own proper message, and telling the user of this worksheet, okay, the item is not available in the source data, instead of just displaying the NA error. Okay, hope this video is helpful to you, and see you on the next video, and God bless you.